Ashan's dad here from OG Creations. This week, I thought I would make a hoodie set for any proud fur parent. Continuing with this would have been part of my holiday videos, but my best friend passed away, so I said fuck Hanukkah, fuck Christmas, I'm sleeping until 2026, Twisted Ice-Dyed series. I'm going to give these two hoodies a little blue and purple makeover. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. The two hoodies I'm starting with are both 100% cotton. The fur baby one is Love Long Long in a 2X purchased from Amazon, and the human one is Hanes Men's Ultimate Cotton Pullover Hoodie in an XL. Both have been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it is spun until they were practically dry. Starting at the hood, I twisted the fabric. I decided that I was going to do a rough tie-up on these, so I grabbed the kite string and wrapped it around an absolutely no fucking pattern. I created decline by lifting one end of my die rack. I add a thick layer on top. I apply my dry dye powders on top of the ice. I am using Nebula Navy, Indigo, and ultraviolet. A layer of soda ash is added on top. Once the ice is melted, it is set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed in an inventory, I added them to my Etsy store ready to purchase as a set. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Who doesn't want to dress like their furry little loved one? I mean, if I saw a man dressed like a scat, dude could totally get it. Now stop what you're doing right now. Go find your dog, cat, hamster, bird, raccoon, horse, goldfish, whatever you have, and give them a big cuddle and let them know how special they are. They aren't here forever, no matter how many virginal sacrifices to the deities or selected god you may have made. I'll see you next time.